All right, good evening, guys. This is Tony from Tony Times 70. This evening, I've got some Bandletic bands I want to showcase to you guys. This is the Bandletic Atlas, and these are basically kind of like a minimal mod kit, I think you could say. It's a one-piece case construction with your nylon band that's attached. They come in a nice box here. And these also come with a screen protector. These screen protectors are very easy to use. I've actually already installed one on my Ultra One. And with the way these work, it comes with your full kit, your wet wipe, your dry wipe, get your Apple Watch totally clean. And then it does come with your dust absorbers, like a sticker, get all the, any lint you have on there, any dust, make sure everything is off there. And then the screen protector, you're literally just gonna set it on there after you pull this tab, set it on there and you're gonna press the middle of it and then it will just adhere. And it does come with this like squeegee and you just kind of work it and make sure that it's all adhered to it, and then you'll simply pull this off. It goes on very nice. It's a good quality screen protector. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys these bands, and I know with my Ultra One, I've been online looking at different mod kits, and there's been mod kits like this one here that I have that I thought that'll look amazing on my Apple Watch. And to some degree it does, but they're not practical unless you literally are just gonna wear this and never change it into another band. But these you have to screw in. And I'm gonna show you guys also how big it sits on the wrist. Let me get these screws in. I have all 4 screws, but I'm just gonna put 2 in for right now to show you guys. I'll be right back. All right, back with you guys. So I do have my Ultra One in this mod kit here. And as you can see, it's huge. It sits huge on the wrist. And I've tried working out with this thing, and every time I bend my wrist back, I hit the crown and almost call like 911, or you just open up whatever apps. Very not user-friendly, I guess, if you're working out or active. And like I said, it just looks huge. It almost looks, it just looks kind of ridiculous in my opinion. So my point is, these types of mod kits might look good from afar until you actually get it on the wrist and try to use it in daily life. That's where these come in and are great alternatives. So let me take this out of here real quick and I'll show you guys. So as you can see, I'm having to unscrew all these screws, although I only put 2 in, just to be quicker for you guys. So if you were going to use one of these cases and you had screws, you can see how tedious and how much of a pain in the butt this is. And Lord help you, if you lose the screws, you're not going to be able to replace these easily. All right, so we've got it out of the really big bulky mod kit there. Let me put these screws off to the side here. So I'm going to show you guys here real quick how quick and easy it is to put your Apple Watch into these Bandletic Atlas cases. So you're literally just going to fit the crown side in first, and then it snaps in, and you're done. Now you tell me what's easier. This is far easier. These are very easy to put on. And like I said, I've already installed the screen protector. So this gives you a lot of protection. And these look really good. So there you go. I mean, it installs in seconds. Looks great on the wrist, and I like that it sits evenly on the wrist. It doesn't like hang over to one side. It sits flush, even on the wrist. It's very comfortable. I will say these are some of my favorite cases I have to date. So, and then to take it out, simply pop it out, and let's do the other one. Now the orange one is nice. It's got the orange accents on the side. Well, at least on here on the shortcut button. So there again, we're gonna just put the crown inside first. And there we go. So there we go. It's in there. Like I said, I've been very impressed with these. I've been wearing these quite a bit. The orange accent one really looks nice. This is probably my favorite one. I gotta get my passcode right. Okay, so yeah, so there you go. And you can see you can interact with everything. The crown is very visible there, usable. Absolutely no issues with operating it whatsoever. Like I said, these are great overall cases, bands. You can order them from Bandletic.com. If you use my discount code of ASOE, you can save 10% on your purchase. Like I said, overall great bands. You will be very happy with these. Comes with a screen protector. So full protection, great quality. They're actually priced really well too. And so please check out Bandletic.com. Use discount code ASOE, save yourself 10%. And I appreciate you guys tuning in. Until next review, thanks. So I wanted to show you guys some more close-ups of the Bandletic Atlas. So here we go. So as you can see, here's more of a close-up. And you can see what I was talking about on my video, how well it sits on the wrist. There's the underside of the Velcro. Like I said, overall, great quality. The buttons press very easily. The case is well made. You guys will be very happy with this. I love these. Like I said, check out Bandletic.com. Discount code ASOE. I think you guys will like these. Till next video.